Two counties in Iowa continue the effort to get zoning restrictions on proposed carbon pipelines. Shelby and Story County took the fight to federal court in Omaha.
First Alert 6 Iowa Capitol reporter Connor Hendricks joins us live now. Connor, what were the arguments today?
Well, John and Jacqueline, this all comes down to who has jurisdiction over the pipeline's route. Now, the proposed Summit Carbon Solutions pipeline would run through 39 Iowa counties. It would take emissions from ethanol plants and then put it underground in North Dakota. Now, some counties have put zoning restrictions on the proposed pipeline, such as spacing requirements, requiring that pipeline not come within a certain amount of distance between homes and city limits and things like that. Now, today in court, attorneys for Summit argued that the safety standards are jurisdiction of the federal regulators, and the Iowa Utility Commission has the ability to determine acceptable routes. On the other hand, attorneys for Shelby and Story counties argue that the safety standards the feds have control over are things like the thickness of the pipe and how it's welded, but local authorities have the ability to regulate the route.
The law is clear that safety standards are left to the Secretary of the Department of Transportation. And in this case, the setback requirements and other provisions are clearly safety standards. The statute is clear that routing and location of pipelines is a separate field from those types of safety standards. And states and local authorities have authority to regulate location and routing.
The decision from the court in the case will be one to watch. This week, Summit filed a lawsuit against Bremer County over restrictions the county tried to place on the pipeline. Now, the judges in the court today didn't say when they'd rule on the case with Story and Shelby counties. However, we will have to watch that ruling to see how it affects the overall project as well as that case in Bremer County. Live at the Iowa Capitol Bureau, Connor Hendricks, First Alert 6.